So I have just built an automation by using N10. What it does, it will start on a schedule and a specific on a specific time in a day. Then it will retrieve all the past news that it gather. It fetch, and then it will fetch all the news on today, fresh news, and then it will generate a summary, and then it will send to me from Gmail, and then it will update a new um, news in on a data table. So I show you a quick demo. So it will start, and then it will retrieve all the past news from here, and then it will search by SERP AI on a new news, and then it will generate the news, and then it will send to us from Gmail. You can change it from Slack what you want, but I want Gmail. So I want to receive all the news from Gmail, so I select it, and you can choose anyone. So it is searching and generating the post the news summary, and then it send us by using Gmail, and it also update the data table us here. And now I check here. Now here is our new news. It also provide a summary and the URL of the source. So we have to build this. Open your workflow and give to the name. I say top news fetch. Then I will add a schedule trigger. You can schedule what when you want. I default, and I execute this, and I save this. And then because we want daily new fresh news, so we don't want to receive old past news. Here are past news that it generates. So I want that it not generate the past news. So what I do, I will retrieve past all past news, and then send to the AI agent that I will specify in system prompt that this is past news. Don't give me past news, also give me new and fresh news. So what I will drag past news that I retrieve from data tables, and then I will set the system prompt. So here is my system prompt. You can go chat GPT. So I set it, and I also want structured output format. So I will enable this, and I will use structured output parser, and I set the JSON. And you can create your own specific JSON by telling ChatGPT, say ChatGPT, I am building this agent, I want this, and please make the agent for me, make the system prompt for me. So now I have this, but one thing is missing, that is SERP API for retrieving the live news. So I will give the SERP API access. In previous video I have already told you how you can connect your SERP API. So I am checking that the tool name is here. I also tell you Here I am saying you are professional AI assistant specialized in gathering and summarizing the latest tech news, and you have to fetch top 3 news, or you can select any other. And now here I have said fetch only fresh news for the current day using SERP API tool that we I give it. So let's check. Now it has generated a structured AI news. I told here it's in as my system prompt that I need a title, summary, source, and URL in this format. So you have to must give me in this response. So now we have generated the news summary, and we have to send us in by using Gmail. You can use Slack or any other tool you want, and you can use WhatsApp. And email will be a I write my email, and subject will be you can write any today news. And for this I will copy from this. I also show you how I want structured, so that why I am using this type. You can use you can try any other way, but I use this type. So now um, I have today date and summary. There is a title and summary and the URL. I don't want a source, so if you want you can do that. So I will execute this. So it has sent us. Let's check in my inbox. Now you can say, see we have received our news. So now we have to update our database, because in the next day it will generate we want it to generate new fresh news. So we have to give all the past news, that it will not give us the uh, past news. It will only give us new fresh new news. So I will search data tables, and it this time we will insert, and I will select my data table. So I select it, and for this I will also copy from here, same as that I use in, but here I don't use but I only retrieve a title. I don't retrieve a URL or summary. You can do this, it's up to you. And I will execute this. Now it has successfully updated our data table. So I will save it and let's check it. Now you can see it has successfully updated our data table. So thank you guys, that's it for now, for today. Next video we will create more agents, and we will go in depth of N10. So stay with me, follow me, and connect me.